Asante sana, our bishop, leadership na congregation ambaye nimeona mnapenda Mungu. Bwana asifiwe. Mwathani agocwo. Twerwo toiga mwathani agocwo mundu akauga gitumi. Nie ndi muhonoku na ndi muhunjia wa uhoro ucio mwega na ndigua thoni kuga mwathani agocwo. Twahunjirio na twerwo ati kwina wa mwena wa motho na mwena wake, kwina ng'ondu na kwina ki. Na maundu macio twahunjirio nimo mauhoro wa ma ati uhoro wa mwena worio ne kurutira andu wira aria Ngai eyumbiire. Na arutira andu wira ni Ngai weka atia? Oguo ngikenda guikara mwena worio ri umenye kuri andu matenguo na twerwo atumia uhoro wa iratu 200 thii muoe muhe aria matari. Nona matingihura ruhi. Uhoro wa guikara na nguo wari size 8 ukihika ugikinya size 34 na no urahoya Ngai ni ugacoka size 8. Oya nguo cia size 8 uhe uria wina size 8. Ngai ni agugutanahira undu ungi. Toiguanire tha tondu ihinda riri ni iritu. Ni andu aingi muno matari na irio cia kuria. Ni andu aingi matari na nguo cia kwihumba. Ni andu aingi matari na mawira. Many of our people in this country are struggling. And if we are going to be people who call themselves the people of God, we must learn to give to one another. The way your heart is made for giving. God gave himself to us. And all he's asking you, kiria kohete ohe mundu uria ungi. Uhoro wa mwana wa kahi ucio ndigatiga kwaria na ndigatiga kunyitirira. Boys muko na niwe boy child kuma kwe maitu, kuma riria wenda ya maitu wanyu nginya riria ugakua we no kahi gake. Kwa hivyo hata hawa wako hapa ni my boy children, and I'm going to work the way I've been working this far. We have had an rehabilitation of 1,200. Those are the ones that were inpatient. Aria tuoete tukaigeria rehabilitation magatangikirwo psychosocial spiritual. My bishop, ciana ciokire cinyuite ndawa miaka 18 miaka 23 na maromire na maragraduate. Ungithie mutandao-ini ni ukuona in Mombasa we were able to get 66 graduated. Na andu moigaga ti possible. Andu moigaga ciana ici tingitiga. No oria marenda riria ngoretwo nao mendaga kwendwo tu na kumariria wega na kumonia mena kiene. Oguo parents, please take care of my children. The boy child is a seed carrier. There is no way you can have a land, you prepare it nicely, and then you don't have the seed to plant. It is the same way. If you are going to have, like my bishop, your girl children, ukimarore wega, umathomithie, then mage muthuri. Ruriri no kuhuka rungihuka. A nation cannot progress. The future is planted in the boy child. And we must respect that. And that is the divine order. Male and female created he God. Ogo, we are going to continue to do the programs. I also do for the widows, the orphans, and the people with disabilities. That's the work I do, and I love it. Ne mwito wakwa actually ti wira kuri ni. Njikaga tondu ni nyendete gwika uguo. And when I came to office, I decided to do something. Gutire mundu goka andihe uria njikaga. I just give. So learn to give. Na Ngai amwike wega na muige kiugo kiu mwa thomithio muthi. Ati Ngai enda. Nemugutura mwa. Ngai enda. Netukwambarario ringi. My bishop in Zechariah 3:1-5. There is a time when Joshua, somebody came and Joshua was standing before the angel, and when he was standing there was an accuser. And this accuser of Joshua had even put filthy clothes on Joshua. But God said, I rebuke you, Satan. And from that time, Joshua's clothes were changed, and he became the priest he was supposed to be. God bless you. God honor you. You are kwago kiro dire na uge go kiro dio e odoge go kiro donare wega go kiro mwathani wakwa go kiro dire na uge go kiro dio e odoge go kiro bonare wega go kiro.
New Domahi Ikaraide. 1 minute, just 1 minute. Madam Senator, Neko dedicate Monoate, Neko da Kugedia, our Deputy President, Eha Bere, Etekir Hodra da Kemuatu, Urokodaga Kumuera Nakwera Mama. Kindly, rush here and do. Now, Hashima Mehau. I really don't know what you wanted. Thank
you, my bishop.